In this problem, we're going to be figuring out the beginning balance, monthly payment, monthly interest, principal amount, and ending balance of a loan across 60 months. The first thing that we're going to need to do to figure that out is figure out the monthly payment. And to that, we're going to use the payment function. Now for this rate right here, we're just going to be putting in the periodic, which will be B7. For NPER, we're going to put in B9, which is the total payments. And for PV, we're going to be putting in B5, which is the amount of loan. And this will give a negative value since it's a payment, so we're just going to put a negative sign in front of payment to keep that positive. Alright, now we're going to move on to beginning balance for month 1. All this is the amount of loan, so we're just going to input B5 for that. The monthly payment will always be this B10 value here. So we're going to input B10 and then press F4 to lock that down. So when we copy it down later, that value doesn't change. For monthly interest, this is just going to be that periodic value multiplied times the beginning balance. And we want that periodic value to always stay the same once we copy it down later. So we're going to press F4 on that one as well. B14 though needs to stay the same. For the principal amount, this is going to be the C14 value, the monthly payment, minus the monthly interest. Like that. And then the ending balance is simply going to be the beginning balance minus the principal amount. Moving on to the second row, the beginning balance here is just going to be the ending balance from last month, of course. The monthly payment stays the same, so we can just drag that down. The monthly interest, we can drag this down because we locked down that B7 value. Principal amount, that one will change with the rows, so we can drag that down as well. And this one we can also drag down. Now that we have this set up, we can bring it all the way down to row 60. And it zeroes out at the bottom. Make sure that when you do this, this bottom right value is 0, because that is the way that you can tell that you've done it correctly.